Hi, this is Tim. If you're looking into the UL 508A Industrial Control Panel certification, then you've probably heard mention of the MTR exam, which is a new requirement of UL. MTR stands for Manufacturer Technical Representative. And you're required to have one person who has passed the MTR exam at each of the facilities that you build UL 508A Industrial Control Panels at. And I'll go ahead and warn you, this is not a test that you walk into and take thinking you're going to get lucky and pass. It is difficult and requires a lot of study and preparation. There is a practice exam on UL's website, and I strongly suggest you review it before you try to take the test. So what is the exam? I'm not going to give you any details in this video, but I am going to give you a rough outline. It is a 4-part exam consisting of 20 questions each for a total of 80 questions. And you have to get 50% of each section correct. Now, a 50 may sound like an easy grade, but again, do not underestimate the difficulty of this exam. Take the practice exam. The first part of the exam is on general information about UL 508A. The second part is on enclosed panels and power circuits. The third part is on control circuits, ratings, markings, and enclosure results. And the fourth part, and in my opinion the toughest part, is on SCCR short circuit current ratings. Click here to learn more about UL 508A. Till next time.